In 2020, renewable energy grew by 45% worldwide. The International Renewable Energy Agency projected that by 2050, renewables will account for 90% of the total global power capacity. These changes are not happenstance. Local, state, and national energy policies trickle down to the average consumer. It is projected that in the coming decades, these consumers will need to play a larger role in energy initiatives to foster a broad, equitable energy future. To facilitate this energy revolution, it will be crucial that all members of society, from electrical engineers to garbage truck drivers, understand how their actions affect the energy economy. And at Apropos, this process will start in the classroom.
To cultivate energy literacy, Apropos Energy is developing an educational video game called Apropos.
Apropos is a mobile problem-solving game where students have to manage energy systems in different simulated scenarios. In one concept level, players have to weatherize Texas's energy grid before a large winter storm. They achieve this by building new energy infrastructure, using policy tools, and responding to small and large-scale crises. How well their grid holds up depends on the choices they make during the simulation. These kinds of interactive experiences will allow students to visualize the complex effects that changes in energy systems and policy can have on the real world. When students download the app, they use a code to join a virtual class where they can interact with their teachers and classmates. Teachers can assign energy-related readings and assignments directly through the app, while students can view leaderboards to instill some friendly competition.
Studies have shown that educational video games improve insight, involvement, and engagement with subject matter. Furthermore, 58% of surveyed students indicated that they are more engaged with their learning when educators use educational games.
By incorporating interactive elements, Apropos will capture the complexity and interrelationships between energy systems on a familiar and approachable platform.
Efforts by state legislatures to promote 21st century science education indicate that there is a growing market for Apropos education tools.
In 2020, 20 states, plus the District of Columbia, encompassing 36% of American public schools, use standards developed by the National Center for Science Education. These K-12 standards include energy-related topics, which are specifically addressed in our materials.
The clean energy transition will be one of the largest endeavors ever taken on by our country and the globe. Its full realization requires smart, energy-conscious thinkers at all levels of government, business, and communities. Creating this new generation of sustainability-minded thinking won't come without a concerted effort. Apropos Energy looks to foster this wave of energy literacy by bringing innovative, student-centered technologies to the classroom. Our team is composed of 5 members with a variety of backgrounds in engineering, research, policy, business, and media, positioning us incredibly well to launch Apropos.